Hello everyone, my name is Bhavana and this is my month one reflection for my internship. During the first 4 weeks, I learned React, front-end development, back-end development, REST APIs, MongoDB integration while building my project called EcoStay. The first major thing I built was complete front-end of the EcoStay website. Like this is my homepage which I have created. I created responsive navigation bar, hero section, reusable cart, components, footer, multiple pages such as home, about, booking, contact, and components. I also use React Router for navigation and Tailwind CSS for styling. The application works on different screen sizes, supports dark mode as well. Like I like when I will click the button, the slide will convert into the dark mode and then it will convert into the light mode. The second major feature I implemented was CRUD functionality using JavaScript and MongoDB. Here I can create a new stay by entering the stay name, location and price. I'll add the stay name which will be Riverside Camp, and location like I've added the Rishikesh, price 2000. When when I'll click the add stay, the data is stored in the MongoDB and immediately appears on the screen. Like this is visible on the screen homepage. And I also implemented the read operation where all stays are fetched from the database. Now I can edit it, now I can edit stay using edit button and save the updated information. I've updated the price to 2500 per night, then it will be saved like 2500 per night. I can delete, and finally I can delete this stay using the delete button. It is deleted from the home page. Now it is not visible there. These operations are connected to the backend using REST API endpoints. The third important thing I learned was integrating MongoDB with my application. With my application, I created a stay schema using Mongoose. The schema diagram contains the name, location, price, and everything. I connected my backend to the MongoDB Atlas using an environment variable stored in a env file. I also created the API endpoints of everything. I've created every API endpoints in my server.js. Here I've connected to the MongoDB get all stay, search stay, where I can search my stay, get stay by ID. I can search my stay by ID, post and update and delete stay. And everything is here. These endpoint now read, form and write to the MongoDB database instead of static JSON data. The one challenge I faced was that my front end was showing the error, the fail to fetch or ER connection refused. The reason was that my backend server was not running correctly. Later, I also encountered another issue where Node.js showed the error cannot use import statement outside a module. I debugged this by checking my backend configuration. Since my project was common JavaScript, I changed my model file from ES module syntax to common JavaScript using the require and module export. After fixing these all issues, the backend connected successfully to the MongoDB and all CRUD operations started working correctly. This debugging experience helped me to understand how backend configuration works. My goals for the week 5 to 9 will be learn user authentication and authorization and improve my backend development skills, learn deployment of full stack application, write cleaner and more maintainable code, gain more confidence in building a full stack web application. Overall, the first month has been the first few weeks have been a great learning experience. I improved my understanding of React, Express.javascript, MongoDB, REST APIs, GitHub, into full stack development by building the EcoStay project. Thank you for my watching video for my 1 month reflection.